you need help with your story, you can make little labels about what and who is going to be in your story. I've made labels for all the things that I've made for my storyboards. You can take these labels and pop them in a jar. That way, when you want to tell a story, you can pick out what and who is going to be in your story. And think of some events to put in your jar. Remember to put these on a different coloured card. It could be a holiday, a party, a walk, an ocean swim. Every story has a problem. You can write a list of these and add them to your jar. How will you solve the problem? Think of some solutions and write them down. We can add the solutions to the jar. Now, to make a story, first we have to select our background. Should we have space, beach, this hill, the desert? I think I'll go with the hill today. Shake up our jar and select what our story is going to be about. Now, I'm going to choose a couple of things from the blue and one each of these. Let's see what we get. Friends and a starfish. Now, what's the event? First day of school. When is it? Far in the future. What problem are we going to have in this story? Oops. Oh, a misunderstanding. So let's find a solution to our misunderstanding. A loyal friend helps. We need 2 friends, a starfish. It's in the future, so I might add this UFO and maybe an alien. It was the first day of school. Marnie was on her way to school and about to meet her friend Penny when she came across a funny thing in the grass. What could it be? She thought. I don't want to touch it. I just don't know what it is. I wish there was someone here to help. Suddenly, Penny appeared from over the hill. She came running down to Marnie. What have you found there? Oh, Penny, I'm not sure. It's this purple squishy thing. I don't want to touch it. We really should go soon. We're going to be late for our first day of school. I know, but I feel bad leaving this starfish here. The beach isn't too far away. Maybe we should take it there. I don't know. We'll be late for school. Marnie and Penny carried the starfish down to the beach. They laid it in the sand and waited. We really should hurry back. We'll never make it back in time for our first day of school. I know. How can we get there quicker? All of a sudden, out of the ocean, he ran up the beach to find out what it was. Wait a minute, that looks like Ash's flying saucer. Oh, yeah, what's he doing here? The flying saucer landed on the beach. Up popped Ash, the alien. Hi Ash, what are you doing here? Hi guys, aren't you meant to be at school today? I've lost something very important. What did you lose, Ash? Well, I was in space last night and I was chasing a fallen star. You guys haven't seen it, have you? No, we did find this starfish this morning. Oh my goodness, that's not a starfish, guys. That's a fallen star. Oh, we made a big mistake, Ash. We brought it all the way to the beach. Do you need to take it back to space? I sure do, guys. But first, let me help you out and give you a lift to school. Everyone got on board the spaceship and took off all the way to school. Thanks, Ash. Now we're not late. No worries, girls. I'm going to put this star back in space. The girls would always remember their crazy first day of school.